1, go!
Match number 14 in autonomous. What you see right now is what the human players have programmed the robots to do, and hopefully the robots will respond the way they're supposed to. They can gain anywhere from 3 to 7 points right now in autonomous. That's the first 15 seconds of the match. As we come out, the Blue Alliance is leading 26-23. 2 minutes and 15 seconds now of the match are controlled by the human players. As we watch the robots, 40-26, the Decatur Robotics places Coral high atop the reef. That's worth 5 points. As on the opposite side of the field, 87-36, grabbing that algae pod off of the reef, taking it over to the Blue Alliance net, scoring 4 points for their alliance. 92-60 has Coral in their possession. They've got it high atop the reef. They're going to try to place it up there if they're successful. That'll be worth 5 points, and it drops off down into the Marianas Trench there. 40-26 on the opposite side of the field, picking up Coral. They've got it in their possession, got it high atop the reef, placing it on that branch. That's worth 5 points. As 87-36, the Mechanism place another 4 points for their alliance by scoring that algae in the net on top of the barge. It's now 51-48 in favor of the Blue Alliance as it's running neck and neck here at 1:15 left to go in the match. 92-60 has Coral in their possession. They're at the reef. They're at the Coral zone. They're raising their arm up high. They're going to try to place it high atop the reef for 5. Successfully done. That's 5 points for the Blue Alliance as they increase their lead to 64-53 over the Red Alliance with 57 seconds left to go. The Blue Alliance 40-26 counters with another 5, bringing themselves even closer to the Blue Alliance with 50 seconds left to go. It's at 64-58 right now. 14-14, IHOT has algae in their possession. We'll have to watch them and see what they're going to do. As 56-08 has Coral dropping it on the low branch. That's worth 3 points for their alliance. The Blue Alliance 74-78 now to 67 with 33 seconds left to go. Still a lot of time for scoring. Still a lot of action on the ocean floor here in Macon, Georgia. 87-36, another algae pod in their possession, scoring it high atop the barge in the net. Another 4 points for the Blue Alliance as it's now 90-71 with 17 seconds left to go. Now we look underneath the barge, 75-38, the Metal Mountain team trying to raise themselves off of the ocean floor, trying to ascend to the top of the ocean. If they can successfully do that, they will gain 12 points for their alliance. 40-26, the Decatur Robotics team up off of the floor. That could be a 26-point swing right there if both of the robots are deemed to be off of the ocean floor. No part of the bot can be touching the ocean floor in order to gain those 12 points. If they gain more than 14 points in the barge zone, they get a valuable ranking point, which can help them in the standings as we go through the competition. All right, I believe we have the results coming in. We'll see which color fish are swimming on the reef. Let's take a look, and it is the Blue Alliance fish swimming strongly on the reef. As they were released, it's 112-90. 112-90 on the Blue Alliance. On the Red Alliance. 40-26. The Decatur Robotics team successfully ascended towards the ocean surface. Wow, 75-38, the Metal Mountain team in the valiant try was still touching the ocean floor at the end of the match. They were credited with a park. That's why you see 16 points up there rather than 26.